Supplier Lead Time Reduction Project. Alfa Laval India Limited is an engineering company having existence in India for more than 75 years. Its manufacturing facilities are located at Pune, Saroli and Satara. Also, they have distribution centers at Thane and Vizag. In Pune manufacturing sites, they have products, decanters, high-speed separators, food and pharma equipments and process equipments. Decanter factory is producing the machines ranging from dia 200, dia 280, dia 360 and dia 440. They are manufacturing almost 900 decanters in a year. Decanter consists of casting parts, fabrication and machining parts, and it has drives, motors and other smaller parts. Alfa Laval in India is recently facing a challenge from its customers for lead time reduction for machine manufacturing. Normally, Alfa Laval Decanter Pune factory are delivering the machines from 6 weeks for smaller range to 14 weeks for bigger range. But due to growing competitors' market and seasonal machine requirements, it has become mandatory to reduce the lead time of machine manufacturing. Alfa Laval India Decanter team is working on the overall manufacturing lead time reductions. But since 70% of its parts are outsourced, it is necessary to focus the lead time reduction of the parts and components which they receive. This need of reduction of components and parts manufacturing lead times has expressed by factory manager Mr. Jens Nielsen.
The reason why Alfa Laval has decided this project at Dynaxle is that Dynaxle is just one out of 200 suppliers and supplying parts for decanters. We are having a lot of purchasing processes that we need to optimize, and shortening the lead time just at one supplier will definitely help. It's of course just in one area, but we need to replicate later on.
And factory purchase manager Mr. Kiran Vaidya in their supplier meet during August 2012 to all local suppliers. And they have started dialogues with respective suppliers. It has been suggested that Alfa Laval should run a project by making detailed analysis of the processes involved for manufacturing. Alfa Laval Decanter team has assigned the project to its Operations Development Department. Pankaj Firodia has been nominated as project manager. Alfa Laval team has discussed with Dynaxle engineers for reduction of cover manufacturing lead times from 60 days to as low as 20 days. The necessary requirement was also communicated in earlier visit from Alfa Laval product group team, including the MD, Mr. Peter Hartig, who visited Dynaxle engineers in Q2 of 2012. Dynaxle engineers are one of the key suppliers of decanter factory. Located at Markar industrial area near Anandd, Pune, they are supplying the covers for dia 360 and dia 440 machines. These covers are manufactured from stainless steel of grades 316 and 304, and also in some cases duplex steel grades. It's having high quality fabrication, laser cutting, rolling operation and glass bead blasting processes. Dynaxle engineers have developed these processes in-house by installing the necessary machinery setup, focusing on the quality production of the covers. Alfa Laval India Decanter Pune team had the same discussions couple of times in Alfa Laval factory and able to convince the necessity of the lead time reduction project. Dynaxle engineers owner Mr. Sandeep Devri have accepted the challenge, and the project kickoff carried out at Alfa Laval. It is decided that dia 360 and dia 440 covers, which are fast moving, should be considered for the project. Lead time reduction project was conducted in Lean Six Sigma methodology, breaking down the activities into defined, measure, analyze, improve and control phases. As per the guidance from Alfa Laval team, Dynaxle engineers have started working on the project, defining critically the activities. They have installed the Lean Concept PCB, Production Control Board, which displays the customer requirements. Dynaxle engineers team also started working on the forecast provided by Alfa Laval to organize the raw material required for manufacturing. Alfa Laval team engaged with Dynaxle team for working on the project. They have explained them the concept of value stream mapping, which shows the as-is condition of the process and to-be condition. They have made standard operating procedures, that is SOPs, for Dia 360 and Dia 440 cover manufacturing processes. This has really helped the operators for doing assembly of the covers at different stages. This includes faster organizing the raw material, keeping the baffles welded ready in stores and issuing it to production as per the requirement from two-bin system, regular follow-up of the project by Alfa Laval team and the good cooperation from Dynaxle team have finally achieved the lead time of 20 days for manufacturing of covers, and they have delivered covers in shorter lead time to Alfa Laval, setting up new standard of supply chain management. This project will be taken as a role model for the reduction of the lead times for other bigger volume items